One people, with body alright and with body you don't care. So, Just Vibes Radio, I'm back. Sorry that I've been away for so long. As you can hear my son, I kinda sick out and thing, you see it. Over the Christmas holiday, we've been a do it to put in the work, but unfortunately, me sick out. But, Merry Christmas to all who celebrate Christmas, for all who don't. Merry or Happy Holiday, you see it. So we have an interesting topic today, a topic that is only spoken about at this time of the year. You only hear about things like this only at the ending of this year. So we're gonna talk about it, people, right after this. You're a new viewer and consider subscribing now and click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. Some people, the year is close to an end. We basically have a few more days, not even a few more days. We basically have one day left before the year close off. Now, many of you might be asking yourself, who was the male dancehall artist for the year? You know, some of you might also be saying that it is tough this year. It's much more competitive this year than last year, because we've seen a lot of artists this year actually raise the bar, performing exceptionally well. Whereas music is concerned, it was not as so competitive last year. You know, it was a one-sided thing. This year we have seen a lot of artists. We've seen a lot of rising artists, upcoming male artists, both female and male. But our main focus is on the artists, male artists rather, for 2019. You get me? I say, I'll give you my opinion, and then again, my people, this is just my opinion. So a lot of you might not agree with my pick. You get me? I say, but again, if you disagree, you can also comment your artist for the year, who you think deserve to get the artist for the year. I'll let you know if I disagree with you, because again, you know, this is based on what I am seeing for the year. You see it, and if you're wondering how did I categorize or how did I got my artist for the year, what we grade my artist on the year for is basically consistency, hits, and relevancy. You see it. So how relevant that artist was throughout the entire year of 2019. You get me? I say how consistent he was. You get me? I say, and of course we can't left out the hit song, because you cannot give an artist for the year and him don't have a hit song. He or she don't have a hit song. That wouldn't make any sense. So you be them say the artist constantly release song and none of them can't hit. That wouldn't make no sense to me. You get me? I say. So I'm giving you my artist for the year, and you let me know if you agree. And remember, comment who you think deserve to get artist for the year. You see it. Comment if you disagree with me, say. And also give this video a like, you know, people, because you don't know the joggings already. You see it. We've been trying to do it for all long now, so support the channel. Let's jump straight now then. So we've seen quite a few artists performing exceptionally well this year, but there can only be one artist for the year. We are gonna find the one that stood out the most. You get me? I say sorry if me sound so, but you know the thing. So me can't select everybody. A lot of person did well, but there can only be one artist for the year. So I'm gonna make you know the contestants or what were they? Anyways, the artists them we've been see from the year start. You see? So we've seen Governor is one of the artists who has been doing so great. You see, tremendously. The man performed well for 2019. You see, TG, not to mention, did well from the year start. The man been perform. You get me? I say. And we also have the system. The 6 them have been do it, and we can't actually categorize them individually. You get me? I just say the 6 them are do good from the year start. You see it, consistency. You see it. We can't leave out Massacre. Massacre did I do good. Massacre did I do it. You see it. No bias thing, but Massacre been do it from the year start. And we have Vibes Cartel. You see it, Vibes Cartel. So 5 set of persons me just call us a while. You get me? I say. And remember, I say the 6 will be categorized as a 1. You see it. Another time if you do the 1 individually. The 6 them. You see me? So people want to know who was the artist for 2019. Me just list out 5 persons. Well, 5 set of persons. Me go take out the artist for the year to those 5. And I go give the reason why. You see it? Or maybe me should just do it in our next video. What do you think? Me go do it in our next video. But I already make you know, so yo, watch you know, if I'm going to do an artist for the year for 2019, it will be based on consistency, relevancy, and how much. Well, not how much. Hits. You get me? I say. So out of the 5 artists for 2019, cause I know so you probably on a suspense. Why upon the thought? Why? You see it? I know you probably a wait. So my artist for 2019 will actually be one and only Vybz Kartel. You get me? I say Vybz Kartel will be the dancehall male artist for 2019. No, people are gonna say, yo, boy, you bias, you got you a Gaza and you whatever. No. You get me I say? Quite frankly, the man been actually a do it from the start. You get me I say? And if I'm not wrong, correct me, Vybz Kartel is one of the most consistent artists from 2019 start until now. You get me I say? He released the most songs right now. Me I tell you, correct me if I'm wrong, you know. He might not all the songs went as a big hit or whatever, but you can name a few songs out of those that were hit. You get me I say? And he was supposed to have one of the biggest hits in the country as well. You see it? Anyway, that was one of the biggest hits in Jamaica. And this is factual. You get me I say, my people? So, consistency, the man did have it. You see it? Hit, the man have it. Relevancy, oh Jesus. Vybz Kartel was one of the most talked about artists for 2019, apart from the 6 them. You get me I say? We've seen it where a lot of things happen and Vybz Kartel was on the front page of the Gleaner majority of the year. When we talk about dancehall, it was just strictly Vybz Kartel from the starting of the whole Fox News thing, come right up till now with the HBO thing and the court case appeal and the hit song and you name it. You get me? I say, so Vybz Kartel managed to stay relevant behind bars throughout the entire year, and we have to give him credit for that. You get me? I say, people, not how many artists could actually do this. They behind bars and actually put in the work same way. Managed to stay relevant and the system that last them. You see it? Some people don't want to go like say, yo, we have a bias when they come out to dancehall music. You see it? If he did not put in the work this year, me I tell you, he wouldn't make me top 5. You get me? I say, and you can see a lot of artists who people expect to actually perform well, or they might have it in their narrative that they did something. Me didn't even see them. You get me? I say, me didn't even see them, and people are go vex, but me don't care. You see it? So Vybz Kartel is the artist for 2019. If you disagree, comment why you disagree, my people. Sorry, this video could not be much more spicy, as you can hear me sick out, I swear. But they actually want to show my face now, I want to hear about me sick out, and a weeks now I'm going to drop a video. So me just come out and make you know what time it is. Me, I gotta do a video next, follow up this as to why Vybz Kartel managed or got the artist for 2019. I'm gonna elaborate more upon it. But yeah, Vybz Kartel, artist for 2019. If you disagree, comment why. Also, comment who you think should have gotten the artist for 2019. Comment and give this video a like, and not to mention, subscribe to the channel, my people. You get me? I say, until next time, just Vybz Radio. I'm out!